Alright, we back again, y'all. And we got it to work. But now it's doing this. It's still making that clicking sound. Plus the engine like keep flashing like once I press the gas. As you can tell, when I ease off the gas pedal, it stopped flashing. But once I press the gas pedal, it started. Alright, let me stop. Show y'all. Yeah, now it's starting to play the screen up. But yeah, so now the engine light stopped flashing when we stop, and the car's starting to shake a little bit. Yeah, I had very steady hands, so this is the car shaking, not me. But yeah, I'm gonna ask the mechanic again, because I sent it to him yesterday. He fixed the problem. I should have asked him what was it, but he said he wants to text me the information, never did. But now I'm about to take it back to the mechanic and see what they're gonna do about it. Maybe they didn't tighten something or what. But yeah.